Hi there, in this tutorial I walk you through how to export a video using CapCut. Whether you're using the desktop or web app, exporting your finished product is quick and easy. Let's get started. Before exporting, make sure you've completed all your edit transitions, filters, effects, zoom-ins, music, everything you want to include in your final video. Once you're happy with your edits, head to the top right corner of the CapCut interface and click the Export button. A new window will appear with your export options. Here is what to do. Resolution. Choose from 1018, 2K or 4K depending on your needs. Bitrate. Select from recommended, higher or customize it yourself. Codec, usually H264 works well. Format, choose MP4. Frame rate, pick a frame rate that fits your project. 24, 13 or 16 FPS are popular choices. To understand this, you need to go to find the folder with your original video and look at its frame rate. Next, select the folder where you want to save your exported video. Click Select Folder and choose your desired destination, like your Downloads folder. Now click the Export button to begin the process. You'll see a progress bar showing you how much of the export is completely. That's it. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.